In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an anisotropic material. Let's create a cylinder. Type G as in George, Z as in zebra, and 1 to align the bottom face with the world center. Let's move the origin to the 3D cursor. Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale. In edit mode, let's select the top face and scale it. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. In edit mode, I'll select the top and the bottom edge loops while holding the Shift and the Alt keys. Please do this in edge selection mode. Ctrl B to bevel with the mouse wheel up once to add a segment. This is optional, but we can also select the top and the bottom faces and extrude inward to make them look more smooth. Let's do the same for this top mesh as well. I'll add a metallic material for the base mesh. Here are the full nodes. Please remember to experiment with the node settings to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.